Mission failed. We get them next time. And the next time is now. Hello, everyone.
And after that...
My name is Alice Cool. Today we're going to be playing some cringe V2. Trying to get the legendary garage door.
Part 3!
This is definitely part 3. Of hopefully of 3 parts. Or else we're going to be here all night. Guys, you want to do this all
We got
night?
explosive?
How much do you want to kill yourselves if we do this all night? What is this kid doing?
Having a good time is what...
He keeps running in front of me. I'm gonna shoot him. Oh, he's stupid. Okay, I'm gonna add this to the door. Be very careful whenever you open doors, people's.
Hunting wabbits.
Nice. Alright. Nice. I can't even do it properly. Wow, it went from 4 pages on the server to 3. Maybe it was 7.
Ooh.
Sir, I build more base. Okay, let's just leave this guy here and go to that other place and start shooting stuff.
Okay.
You know, I'm gonna make a torch ritual around him. A torture. We're not at that stage yet. Alright, let's go. Yo, why is your chest so full?
I had a lot of stuff.
We should make it a
Fakel Gato the Queen. Is that Spanish?
Yeah. Let's go.
Alright, let's go find this freaking garage door!
So we don't
Alright,
have to
boys
keep
and girls, so
playing
our
this
quest... we get off this stupid server. Today, guys and girls, and it's helicopters. That's all of them, right? Today we're gonna be looking for the elusive recipe for the garage door. See, we're so stupid, we don't know how to make a garage door on our own, so, like, we gotta go find the recipe to do it.
We have to make one, too. That's what sucks. Why should it require, like, 5 C4 for the recipe?
Wait, how does C4 equal a garage door?
I don't know, dude. I was just joking.
There's a bandit up there.
Yeah, he's easy kill, though. Especially when you have spasm. I think they were trying to type out
There's a guy in there as well, I think. I just saw his head on the...
Yeah.
Holy shit! I actually almost died. I am dead.
But you died?
I don't know. That fully auto pistol is dangerous, dude.
I'm trying to grab your items, but he shoot me.
Where did we run off to? Oh, I'm heading back right.
We went south.
Yeah. Let's eat.
I have Soldier of 3 Armies playing in my head like full blast.
Is that how you get so good? Boys and girls, the secret is out. The way Alex Too Cool slaughters idiots on the server.
Up here, sir. Above you.
Hey, Dab, what's up?
I want to make sure you did not get shot by kids, so I give you good items. I don't remember how much food you had, so I give you half mine.
Stay. Easy.
Just donated for premium.
Oh, there's a blue herb.
Waste of... I just told this kid he wasted his money. Oh, there's a random kid here. Legit KB. Let's murder this knee. Let him run. Let him run.
Nah, fuck that. He attacked you.
Attacked of zombie squad.
Got him.
Throw another one at the same time too. Someone named Trons just messaged me, and it was so similar to my dad's name, it freaked me out.
It's your dad. We can play Minecraft.
No, dude, my dad does not have an account. Which is good. Okay, we should.
There's a dude up there.
I don't know what he's doing other than being retarded. He's probably on the same quest we are. Would you like to join
Hi.
on the round table of Camelot?
Oh, he's bluesy.
Oh wait, no, he's the Black Knight. You gotta shoot him and say, yell, "'Tis but a scratch." All right.
'Tis but a scratch. Oh, it's this guy.
He messaged me, bro, last time you killed him. I love how I'm low-key just like chasing this kid. You should go around the other direction.
Yeah, I was about to say, let me go this way.
You go that way, I go this way. Oh, frick, I fell.
Hello? Sorry, guys.
Hey, we're back at that one bandit place. We're chasing some.
Yo, there's a full Kev. Oh.
I just knocked him out of the park, Alex. He's gone.
Alex, TP now. There's a full Kev at our base.
Come on,
There's a full Kev.
Let's go run. We gotta sneak up behind him and blast him. We have an airlock now.
Oh my, he hurts. He has red guns. He's red guns.
Ow. Shot by that bandit. Oh my god, it hurts.
No, that's not a bandit, dude. That's a player with a sniper.
Oh, that's you.
Move. Oh.
I got him.
I'm just gonna keep punching him.
Yeah, you do that. Don't let him out of combat.
Dude, he sucks. He's got a fire sword. But keep hitting him.
I died. I got blasted.
You get premium. Can we go kill him now?
Dude, there's a full camp at the bandit town who murdered me. Not much appreciated.
Dude, he might be out of ammo. He's just using his sword on me.
He's not out of ammo. He's just using the sword because you're a scrub.
You're a scrub.
No more AK ammo, Alex. No more AK ammo. That's why I'll pull those. No more.
Ow, he's shooting me!
Is it good?
P2 pants.
You got him? Yeah, I have no more AK ammo, so
Yeah,
we need to get...
AR and the ammo. Here, boys, you take all this. Oh, look, I got my axe back. Oh,
here you go, buddy.
M24.
You have the AK, don't worry.
Who wants
Yeah,
this
AK with no
M30?
ammo.
Well, I have ammo now. Take the AR.
Sangor, just take all this stuff.
What's the reload button?
I think I have legs for you. Oh, Alex, I got legs for you.
Who is the AR?
Alex, I got legs for you in my e-chest. You're so lucky.
Let's go.
You're so lucky,
Look at
dude.
this guy.
Oh
He
my
got those
god.
P2
How do you reload the...
chain pants.
Oh, those pants are good actually. Those are chain. Yeah, those are chain.
How do I reload
Here's
this?
a Kevlar helmet. Here's a Kevlar helmet, Sangor. Yeah. There you go. I got his sword, thank God.
Alex, how do I reload this gun?
You crouch.
Shift. You crouch.
Yes, you crouch. I kid you not. Crouch to reload if you have ammo.
That's what I'm doing. Reloaded it.
You do this. While holding it.
Yeah, I did. I got 2 rounds loaded up. What the fucking do?
This also means you can't sneak up on people with guns. Because that's...
Unless you're fully loaded.
And even then. Only way to crouch fire is to have no spare ammo.
Alright, so Douchey McDoucheface that sniped us should have an
Oh,
overfull
wait, was the
inventory.
guy that told you AJ PORTU?
I don't freaking know.
Because even was he's my ally, and I told him to give the gear back.
Listen, some full Kev kid over here. Wait, is this him?
Yeah, that guy right there in the house right here.
I don't know. There's
Message
some...
AJ.
I sniped that bandit. Kill that other kid.
Boy, I got 2 iron plates.
Don't kill the guy that's coming out. Do not kill the guy that's coming out.
You kidding me? Ow!
Unless he...
Oh my god, I got sniped! By
the sniper.
My name 24.
I got your shit.
Here, there's TPA to Sangor.
He's giving back the gear,
TP accept, TP accept.
I believe.
No, this Exerta
Ah.
guy.
It's some other dude.
No! Oh my god.
Don't
Did they kill
respawn
you guys?
everyone.
Yeah, they did. Is that your friends?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me tell them.
Yeah, those are the kids who stole my
Just
gun
get
earlier.
shot!
I know exactly what I had to. Easy record. Why should we give it a dash R? Yes.
Okay, wait,
Asked
wait a
me
second.
if I'm Zealot. I'm like, yes, I am. Killer.
What?
sorry?
Yeah.
Kill that kid.
Yeah. Well, no, he gave back to me the shotgun. He gave back me a
I want
Kevlar
my
chest plate.
uncommon spaz. I want my uncommon M24. I want my AK. My freaking whatever it's called.
Is this the guy that killed you right here? This
No,
AJ guy?
It was this Exerta guy.
Oh, he ran. I shot him. I almost killed him.
Vortex, Exerta. Freaking Vortex.
I know. Message X.
Yeah, I found an auto turret.
He took all my gear. Oh, I went back to base with that boy.
Yeah, this other guy told me to. Wait. I'm gonna see if you say you guys.
I got shot by him.
Wait. Wait. Not yet.
Want all my 760 back.
1 second.
That's all, I had 100,000. Okay. Yeah, my Og of Dreams. What the heck is happening? Why is there so much gunfire?
Because I'm talking to Foxray to come read him. Oh my god.
Hey, what do I do with this?
I've
got an auto turret. Sorry.
Or as good old Zach called it, pork and cheese.
Oh, a lot of shooting. I shall save this auto turret.
Oh my god, Sangor! I'm at 1 heart right now. Someone
Killed one of 2. Where's the other one?
Oh, we killed him. No, AJ's ally. AJ just helped me kill him.
Hi, Alex. Found this.
Could just get
Run back to base with that. Oh my god, dude. What's going on here? You want me to kill Exerta?
Yeah, no, don't kill kill Exerta, not AJ. He's an ally. He's a good ally. Oh, I'm at 2 hearts with no meds. Please help. Oh, yo, AJ's coming out. I need to regen. I'm gonna run back to base, you know. Yeah, Alex, I got half of your guns right now.
Got my uncommon M24.
This is not our house.
And I'm getting chased. Can we run back to the house? Where's the house? Where's the house?
This way.
Oh, oof, yeah. Yeah, AJ's ally. AJ helped us kill him.
Just got a P90 and an AK.
Oh, he's so awesome. Yeah, take the gear.
Who is this?
Hey, take Alex. Hey, take Alex.
EC. Oh, frick, I can't EC.
You good?
Selling
you good?
garage block for 1C4. My god. Somebody's got it already. Alex, we were beaten by the new content dude.
Oh, he's coming back to the Vortex kid. The garage block is actually a block. The guy needs help. The guy just destroyed him.
Alright. Give me... Okay, I'm gonna run back to base with some of this. I don't have... Don't touch my uncommon Og. That thing's my baby.
Hey, you're welcome of my allies. Jesus.
He's a nice guy.
No, he is, right?
Anyway, but if you hadn't told me, I would have lit him. So.
Yeah, no. The AJ guy was like, "Oh, I'm sorry for killing the you, Zayon, but not Zayon, but I forgot your name." But he said he was sorry for killing you in this set, but he lost the set because he died to that other ex guy. And then we killed him and got the set and gave you it, Alex. Sorry. This was his sorry video. He said don't kill him, he's ally.
Don't kill it. Oh my god, legendary type.
What?
When did it say the legendary type? I wonder why I got whooped.
Whoa, he's eating me. What the hell is that shit?
Oh wait, I don't. Wait,
You
message.
can get eaten.
What is his name? Eh.
Don't tell him
Psycho.
the legendary type. He doesn't know what to
Yeah.
He doesn't say use back legendary type. So don't tell him that we took his legendary type.
Oh, he's about to murder. I just noticed that. Oh, that's a big clan. Wow.
I don't have a bunch of ammo.
That's it. Yo, Alex, he said you guys want to hunt.
Ugh, I hate hunting. As long as we get, tell him if you can find a garage door block, it'll be, that's one of them. Okay, I got 2 different snipers. Hey, where's Sangor?
What's the? I'm still at this compound, but like, what's the loot respawn time?
It's random. Snipe some random kiddo. Into.
I'm gonna take off my leggings because everyone's trying to buy them off me. Freaking hackers. Oh, like, I'll buy your leggings off you. Like, this AJ guy, I think he's hacking. I'm not sure, though.
They're just cringy legendary.
No, they're P1, PB2. They're wait a second. They're P1, PP2, I'm breaking 2. Fire protection 3, and blast protection 1. They're worth about 1 to 2 C4. Hello?
Hey.
Okay, let's make sure. Your mic is weird. Okay, Zangar.
I want his stuff back.
Who?
This empty ordered guy. I started sending him his stuff. And he's
I'm gonna hit the hay, my lewds.
Okay. Make sure you smack that hay.
He already left. Oh man, did we have so much laugh and fun time on here?
No.
Continue tomorrow. In our cringy shack. Never-ending nightmares. Oh wow, I just started putting that kid's stuff up.
Wait, what are we trying to get again? What is it called?
The garage door.
Block?
Garage door block, yes. It's like super rare or something.
Yeah, they're hard to get. Trade bandits?
Oh my god, that's so stupid. There we go.
Oh my god. Yeah, sell for 1 C4.
That's why we were on a quest to go get one, right? I didn't know they were that valuable. I just heard new block, and I was like, oh, we gotta go try to get one of those. I didn't realize they were super valuable.
What do you do with it?
Make a garage for like your helicopters and cars. I
Do
don't
you
know.
just
I've
place it
never
out?
seen one in game. I really want to see one.
It's really cool, actually. I took a look at it. This guy had one. I traded him. It looked like.
No, let's not buy it. Let's go find one.
It's alright. What do you do? It's a slash updates or what is it?
So let's change log.
Where is it at? Where is that? Which one is it?
It's the latest one. So farthest left.
I see. / fixed issue with keys. I think sniper's headshots. Cannot open more than one door. Plane crashed. Hurt a lot more.
Yeah, there's
Planes no longer.
There's a fighter plane that has like 50 cal guns on it or something.
What?
Yeah.
That's actually a thing now.
Yep. But they're rarer than helis by far. Some of them Wi-Fi crashed, and some of them jukes in a box. They're really eating each other. What is this? Crouching under me. Let me give him an AK. I don't know who these people are. As long as I don't get in the way, I won't ever need to care. Okay, this. See, look, was blown up by plane. See that in chat?
Finally, I got one.
You got one?
I got one.
I'm running back to base. Don't place it.
It looks awesome.
What should be like the cringiest thing ever?
I wonder what it is. Do you want to place it down? Do you want to place it down for the video?
Yeah. I want to place it down for the video.
For the third part, we actually got one. I think we have to upload this all together.
Yeah, they're gonna be uploaded at about the same time. Yes, I'm gonna like put like little things on it. It's like
I got one. There we go.
Episode 1, housing situation. Episode 2, the adventure. Episode 3, success. There we go. There we go. We got those little subtitle things for them. What are they called? There's these kids who were following me, but they stopped. I gotta see this. Pass it. I have my eyes closed. Tell me when I get it.
You got it.
Prismarine? What is this?
It's a garage block.
Yeah, but it's a Prismarine.
Well, come over here. Let's open it in here. Open it out. I don't want to open it outside. I mean inside. Sorry.
Want me to place one?
Place it down.
Wait, hold on. What's it say? Please try it with more blocks.
Wait, what? You don't have access to this garage door. Wait, here. Can I place it? Mine.
No, I can't pick it back up.
You can't?
Nope.
What is it?
I don't know, dude. It doesn't work. It just says place wrongly or something. Try with more blocks.
You guys have multiple blocks?
Yeah, you have to have like 9, I'm assuming. Or even more. I don't know how many it takes. It's just a retarded useless feature at this point.
Well, I mean, at least we got one. Now we can end the video.
Yeah.
Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And today we got a garage block, and yes!
We're never gonna play this server again.
Yes.
Only gonna play whenever Ashll says there's a crazy update. And I think headshots, that was a new feature. So
yes.
Sure we keep this. What happens if I do it like this?
Well, that was fun while it lasted.
What if I do it like that? Nope. Right, place wrongly. Yep, it's broken.
Alright, let's go. I can see all the hate in the comments below. You placed it wrong!
Oh yeah, no kidding. It gives me those red messages. all over my screen whenever I try to use it since you placed your problem.
After 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah. Actually, it was less than 3 hours, thankfully. It's closer to 2. It's in
Alright,
open
well.
field so everyone can see that beautiful, beautiful block. It took us our entire life.
It did.
Did you notice how like you went AFK every time this corner did this torch ritual to you?
You tortured me. Alright, I'm done. Never again. No, kill me!
Reloading. God, that shotgun hurts.
It's called tactics. I used to be an MI6. Remember that?
I forgot about how much that freaking shot hurt.
Stop chasing me! I don't have any meds. I'm at 3 hearts and I'm not regenning.
Good.
I don't have any. Stop! No, leave me alone. I don't have any ammo. I got shotgun shells. Let's get it. Let's go.
Oh god, that does so much damage.
Run! No ammo. Run. I'll PvP you when I regen full health. We'll go swords only. If I regen.
Swords only? How is that any fun?
Let's go. Let me get some health. All right. Let me get some health up in this. Oh my, that hurts. Whoa.
Busted out that legendary.
That hurts, man. That hurts my feelings.
Thanks for easy items, Smitty. You know what we do with those easy items?
Yeah. You locked in combat. You locked in combat.
I don't care, dude. I don't play that server.